What happens if your parents pass away without a will and they still owe money on the mortgage? This is how the probate process is going to work. So they pass away, you get the death certificate. You file a petition for probate with that death certificate. They will appoint you as the administrator. It's now your responsibility to pay off the debts, distribute the assets, and manage the assets inside the estate during the probate process. You will have to publicly notify creditors that that individual has passed away. Those creditors will come to you and say, hey, they owe us money and you have to pay us back for the debts that they owe. You will take any liquid assets inside the estate, be like checking accounts, savings accounts, investment accounts, etc., and pay those debts off. If you don't have enough money inside the estate to pay those debts off, you have to start selling off physical assets like the home to generate money to pay off those debts. Now, if you get to keep the home inside of the estate because you've had enough money in there to pay off those debts, then you would distribute that property out per the intestate laws of your state. So as an example, in Georgia, the kids and the spouse get an even split of those assets, with the spouse getting a minimum of 1/3. So if it's all kids, then all kids get that house and they own it together. They have to figure out what to do with it together. Now, in terms of the mortgage, you as the administrator of the estate will have to continue making payments on that mortgage until it gets distributed out to the kids. When it gets distributed out to the kids and now you all are on title, you can go to the lender and say, hey, we own this property now. My parents passed away, went through probate. We own it. We'd like to transfer the mortgage over to our name. And it's up to them as if basically how they want to handle that. And so that's the whole probate process. If you want to avoid it, you can put your property inside of a revocable trust, and then that property will be distributed automatically out to the beneficiaries listed in that trust and will avoid the probate process. You won't have to go through the probate timeline, which can be 1.5 to 2 years. And you also don't have to hire a probate attorney for the assets inside the revocable trust. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to some of our team.